Good morning. I am Dr. Anitha D B, Associate Professor, CSE Data Science Department, ATME College of Engineering, Mysuru. Now I am going to demonstrate one of the experiment in machine learning lab. So the statement of the experiment is develop a program to create histograms for all numerical features and analyze the distribution of each feature. Generate box plot for all numerical features and identify any outliers. And for this we have to use California housing dataset. So this California housing dataset contains the features like longitude, latitude, housing median age and median house value, etc. So as per the question, we have to generate the histogram for all numerical features and analyze the distribution of each feature. And secondly, generate the box plot for all numerical feature and identify any outliers present in the features. So the first thing, we need to import the necessary libraries. So the necessary libraries are Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib and Seaborn. So then read the data set using pd.read_CSE. So read the housing data set using pd.read_CSV. So then display the first 5 rows of the data set by using the function headof. That is df.headof will display the first 5 rows of the data set. So then display the shape of the data set, that is df.shape will give you the size of the data set. So this data set contains 20,640 rows and 10 columns. So 10 columns means the 10 feature values. So before going to generate a histogram or a box plot, we need to check whether any null values present in the data set. So that is called as data cleaning. So data cleaning, in this data cleaning, first thing we have to identify is there any null values present in the data set. So for that we can use df.isNull.SumOf. So isNull.SumOf function gives for each feature how many null values present. So this is the output. So as per this output, all features are not having null values except the total bedrooms. So total bedroom contains 207 missing values. So then after identifying the missing values, we have to replace the missing values by the median value of that particular column. Handling missing values, that is df of total bedrooms dot fin na df total bedrooms dot median of in place is equal to true. So in this first it will find out the median value for the total bedroom column and replace every missing value by that median value. The next step is feature engineering. So in the data set, so the data is in the form of floating point values. So we need to convert that into integer values. So for I in df.ilog of colon comma 2 colon 7, df of I is equal to df of I dot as type of int. So as type of int is used to convert the data type from any other data type to integer. So after the conversion, we can display the first 5 rows. So here we got the integer values like for housing median age 41, 21, 52, etc. So like this, from column 2 to column 6, the values are converted into integer values. So the next step, as per the statement of the question, we need to generate a histogram for the numerical features. So from the data set, first thing we have to identify the numerical feature columns. So numerical is equal to df.select_dtypes include is equal to np.number.columns. So this statement gives you the numerical features. So print numerical. So these are the numerical features like longitude, latitude, housing median age, total rooms, total bedrooms, population, households, median income and median house value. So all these are numerical value features. Now after getting a numerical features, now we need to generate the histogram of each numerical feature using for loop. So for call in numerical, so it will take the numerical features one by one and plots the histogram. For plotting histogram, we are using the plot function, and inside the parameter we are using kind is equal to hist. So kind is equal to hist, so it will give you the histogram plot. So these are the histograms of longitude, latitude, housing median age, total rooms, total bedrooms, population, households, median income. So we got the histogram for all the features. So from the histogram we can notice the distribution pattern of each feature. So then the second part is generate the box plot for each feature. Again using for loop we can generate the box plot for all numerical feature. For call in numerical, so it will take the numerical features one by one and plots the box plot. So for plotting box plot, here I've used SNS dot box plot of df of column and color is equal to blue. So we'll get the box plot for all the features, all numerical features. Longitude, latitude, housing median age, then total rooms. If you observe the total bedrooms box plot, it contains the outliers. So the main purpose of plotting the box plot is to identify is there any outliers present in the features. So households, that also having a outlier, median outcome is also having outliers. Then median house value, it also has little bit outliers, etc. So finally, conclusion is we have implemented the program for generating the histogram and the box plot. So histogram is used to observe the type of distribution of each feature, and the box plot is used to identify whether any outliers present in the each features. Thank you.